Guys, welcome to our channel, Understanding Us. Have you ever wished you could navigate conversations more smoothly or even understand people better? Wow, you are in luck today. I'm sharing with you 10 psychological tricks that actually work and is backed by science and simple enough to try in your everyday life. The first trick, the power of silence. When someone hesitates to answer a question, stay silent and maintain eye contact. Why? This is because silence can feel uncomfortable, prompting the other person to speak and review more. It's a great way to get honest answers or encourage someone to open up. Just stay patient. Trick 2. Mirror their body language. Do you want instant connection? Quietly mirror the other person's posture, gestures, or tone of their voice. This creates a sense of connection and makes them feel more comfortable around you. But remember, keep it subtle. If they notice, it could get awkward. The third trick, use their name. People love hearing their own name. I love hearing my own name. It grabs attention and builds trust. For instance, instead of saying, "That's a great idea," try saying, "That's a great idea, Grace. That's a great idea, Alex. That's a great idea, Princess." Call their name, mention their name. It makes interaction more personal and memorable. The fourth trick, when you are making a request, offer 2 options instead of just acting outright. This trick is called give them a choice. Instead of saying, "Can you help me with this project?" try saying, "Would you prefer to help with reviewing the draft?" People are more likely to say yes when they feel they have a choice. The 5th trick, compliment their efforts, not their talent. When giving a compliment, focus on effort instead of innate ability. For instance, instead of saying, "You are so smart," say, "I admire how much thought you put into this." This encourages growth and motivation instead of putting pressure on already fixed qualities. The 6th trick. The 6th trick is named after Benjamin Franklin. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Here is a fun one. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a small favor. This works because people tend to justify their actions. If they help you, they are more likely to see you as likable. Because why else would they help you? It's psychology in action. The 7th trick, use positive framing. How you say something can completely change how it's perceived. For instance, instead of saying, "Don't forget to bring your umbrella," say, "Remember to bring your umbrella." The positive phrasing is more engaging and easier for the brain to process. The 8th trick, when someone finishes speaking, pause before you respond in a conversation. Why should you do this? It makes you appear thoughtful and confident. Plus, it gives you a moment to choose your words wisely. A well-timed pause can carry more weight than rushing to fill the silence. The 9th trick, the priming effect. This trick involves subtle influencing someone's behavior or thoughts by exposing them to certain cues beforehand. For example, mentioning words like teamwork or collaboration before a meeting can make people more cooperative. Priming works because our subconscious picks up on these cues and affects how we respond. The last trick, the spotlight effect. Here is a comforting and interesting one. Most people overestimate how much others notice their mistakes or flaws. This is called the spotlight effect. Understanding this can help you relax in social situations. If you feel embarrassed about something, remember, others are usually too focused on themselves to notice. Use this awareness to build confidence and handle awkward moments like a pro. And there you have it, the 10 psychological tricks that actually work and can make real difference in your daily interactions. These tricks aren't about manipulation. They are about improving communication and building better relationships. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.